In ancient times, the sun was worshipped in various different ways. Surya Namaskar is a sequence of postures that was developed with this exact purpose. Surya from Sanskrit means sun, while Namaskar means salutation. The sun salutation was passed on by sages of India to specifically hand-picked people who became their so-called disciples at the time and reached its way to us nowadays. The sun salutation is excellent for your morning practice, not only because it greets the morning sun, but also because it's a perfect way of loosening up, stretching, creating more mobility, and strengthening the joints, muscles, and internal organs of your body. The versatility of this practice makes it one of the most effective ways of inducing a healthy, vigorous, and active life, while at the same time expanding your awareness. It's important to clarify here that people suffering from high blood pressure or any heart ailments shouldn't be practicing this sequence because it may overstimulate an already weak heart. Apart from this one specific contraindication, introducing the sun salutation into your daily life brings you so many benefits, such as boosting the metabolism as well as balancing all the systems in the body, such as the circulatory system, the respiratory system, the digestive system, and so on. Besides, it is the perfect warm-up as it prepares and opens up your body to get into deeper postures with more ease. These are only some of the amazing reasons why the sun salutation is the best sequence of postures for anyone starting their journey into yoga. Mastering these postures will allow you better mobility and progress within your yoga practice. And soon enough, you will find yourself flowing beautifully, reflecting the biorhythms of the body with the rhythms of the universe. So, are you ready to greet and welcome the sunlight into your life? So let's start by standing at the top of your mat, about 1 foot apart from the top, toes touching, ankles a little bit apart. Feel the earth grounding your feet, giving you support to stand tall. Roll the shoulders back, keep the spine straight, do not arch the lower back, and gaze forward. Exhale to bring your hands in front of your heart center in Namaste Mudra. Tuck the tailbone in as you inhale to bring your hands up, looking towards the hands and opening the chest to let the air in. Exhale to fold forward from the hips, keeping the spine straight and leading with the chest. Do not curl the spine down. Just so you can have a better idea of movement, bring your hands to your hips and tilt your hips forward. Tailbone out. See the difference? Feel the difference. When I give you the cue to fold from the hips, this is the movement you need to do while keeping the spine straight. Let's go then. Fold forward from the hips and bend the knees as generously as you need in order to reach down with the spine straight and safe, relaxing the weight of the head. An alternative here, if you don't want to bend the knees, is to use blocks, books, or even rest the hands on the shins or thighs. But always prioritize keeping the spine straight when bending forward, so you don't overwork your lumbar area. Plant the palms and step the right foot back. Lower the back knee as you inhale to open the chest and look up. A good alternative in the start is to bring your hands onto the thighs to help create space in the chest while developing flexibility. Exhale to step back into plank and get into your first vinyasa flow. Inhale to lower the knees. Exhale to lower the chest, then the chin, looking forward as you empty your lungs. Inhale to slide forward and up into baby cobra or cobra. Remember, a snake doesn't have hands, so try not to collapse the weight of the body onto your arms. Instead, point the feet to support the posture and engage the legs, glutes, and back muscles. Bring the shoulders away from the ears. To come out, tuck the toes under and push the hips back and up into downward facing dog. Spread the palms naturally and root through the fingertips as you keep pushing the hips towards the sky. Imagine someone is pulling your hips up. Look towards your knees or belly button to keep the neck straight. Bend the knees generously to prioritize keeping the spine straight here. Don't worry if your heels don't touch the floor yet. You will get there with time and practice. You can walk on the spot to warm up the legs, stretching the hamstrings, warming up the joints, toes, ankles, knees, hips. Waking up your body. To transition into the next posture, lift the right leg up, coming onto the balls of the left foot. Then bend the right knee to your chest as you round the spine to create more space for the leg to come through. And step the right foot between the hands, lowering the knee back into low lunge. Open the chest to bring the air in, rolling the shoulders back and away from the ears. Plant the palms and exhale to step on the top of the mat into forward fold, bending the knees as generously as needed. Root through the feet and inhale to grow tall, lifting the arms up, tucking the tailbone in and looking up. Exhale to bring the hands in Namaste. Beautiful! This cycle was half the salutation. Keep the hands in Namaste between the right and left cycles. Only drop the arms after the whole sequence. That way you won't get lost so easily and you will know where you are in the sequence. Now we repeat, leading with the left leg. Inhale, bring the arms up, tucking the tailbone in and looking at the hands. Exhale, fold forward from the hips, keeping the spine straight and bending the knees generously. Palms down as you inhale, stepping the left foot back. Opening the chest and looking up. Exhale to step back into plank, preparing for our second vinyasa flow. Inhale, lowering the knees. Exhale, melt the chest and chin down, look forward. Inhale, slide forward and up into cobra or baby cobra, toes pointed, glutes engaged, shoulders away from ears. With the next exhale, tuck the toes under and push the floor with the hands, sending the hips back and up, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Look towards the knees, spine straight. Inhale, bring the left foot up, coming onto the right toes. Round the spine to bend the left knee into your chest and step between the hands into a low lunge. If you fall short, you can use your hands to help you get there. No shame in being where you are. Give your body time to adapt and open to such different movements from what you and your body are used to. Open the chest to deepen the inhalation and look up, lengthening the spine. Exhale to plant the palms and come to the top of the mat, folding forward, knees bent generously. Inhale to come up and stand as tall as you can, looking up as you open the chest, tailbone tucked in. Exhale to bring hands to chest in prayer. Inhale to relax the arms down. Congrats! You have learned a whole sun salutation sequence. Up-level your yoga practice with the Rise and Shine Yoga Journey, the foundation you need for real progress that will allow you to grow long-lasting benefits on and off the mat.